In a typical diesel engine with an injection pump, fuel flows from the lift pump at low pressure through a 4 to 10 micron fuel filter and into the injection pump's main body. Some applications like the 2001 through 2016 GM Duramax utilizes the injection pump to pull fuel through a fuel filter under vacuum, causing additional wear and tear on the injection pump. When dirt, debris, or air enters the injection system, the cam and roller inside the pump loses the lubrication it needs. The roller can stick and rotate sideways, grinding directly into the cam lobe. Shards of metal are forced into the metering valve, into the injection pump's plungers, and eventually out to the fuel rail. Wear from debris passing through the injector nozzle and air has a cutting torch effect on the injector nozzle, which will over time open up the orifices and cause a loss in performance and fuel efficiency. This contamination spreads throughout the entire fuel system, causing catastrophic failure that can cost thousands in repairs. Let's see how adding a FASS fuel system changes everything. First, diesel fuel is drawn from the tank, passing through the FASS's advanced filtration. Air, water, and debris are virtually eliminated before the fuel reaches the injection pump. Inside the pump, clean fuel lubricates the crankcase and the rollers, preventing harmful friction. The metering valve then distributes the purified fuel to each head in the injection pump. Plungers pressurize the fuel up to 30,000 psi or more without the risk of metal contamination. Excess fuel returns to the fuel tank safely and the entire fuel system stays protected. With FASS, your diesel engine gains reliable performance and peace of mind, avoiding costly and catastrophic failures.